welcome back to our video tutorial on Great TV. You are watching this video. It's me Suresh Aryal from Daisy Secondary School. I am going to teach about the topics exponential equation from mathematics of class 10. The content of this video beneficial for class 9 as well. Before entering these topics, I want to discuss about the definition of equation. What the definition of equation? First of all, we already discussed about this topic in the earlier classes, the class 7, class 8, as well class 9. So please start. First of all, the definition of equation in Nepali that called samikaran. What the definition of equation? Like this, samikaran. This one is also mathematical sentence use equal operation that called equation. Equation have many types: the linear equation, quadratic equation, cubical equation, biquadratic equation, etc. So I take first example, an equation that 4x plus 7 equal to 9. This 4x equal to 9 minus 7, 4x equal to is 2. This one is the equation, linear equation, that the first degree linear equation. Here, the unknown variable of x is the base and y the coefficients of it. So this is not exponential equation. This only equation, linear equation, because it has no power. If it has power, in that case only we can say this equation is an exponential equation. So first, please be confident what the definition of equation. Now I enter in this topic, exponential equation. Let's take another example, 3 power x equal to 9. This equation is an exponential equation because the unknown variable x is the power, the exponent of the base 3. So this equation is called an exponential equation. By this example, easily we can define the exponential equation. Exponential equation, that definition is an equation in which unknown variables appears as an exponent of the base is known as exponential equation. There are various axioms. When we solve this numerical, when we solve this related numerical, we can use this axiom. We can solve an exponential equation by using the following axiom. These two axioms mostly when we solve this numerical, this equation. If a power x equal to a power y, then we can write x equal to y. Because this equal sign, therefore this one is equation. By this equal sign, this statement, this step is called an equation. Here AA, in both sides, the base are same. So we must equating its power. In second axiom, that a power x equal to 1. This one we already studied in class 7, not only in mathematics, in computer also, in that binary number system, in binary number system. Binary number system or binary number system, any constant. If there one, we can write and constant or variable power should be 0. Here, a power x equal to a power 0. If here b power x, we can write here b power 0. If here c power x, we can write c power 0. What we write here, that depends the base of another sides. So please students, for this numerical, that's not sufficient, only this axiom. We already studied in the previous classes. Laws of indices is also mostly important for this one. Without using that, we can't solution this one, we can't solve these equations. So first, remember that laws of indices, that rule. When we solve the equation, exponential equation, we should be simplify the equation like in this condition. Then we can use this axiom, then we find the value of x. Free of I by now. भाइ बहिनीहरु हामीले जुन यो इक्वेसन सल्भ गर्छौं हल गर्दाखेरि कुनै पनि यस्ता समीकरणहरु जति हुन्छन् घाताङ्कीय समीकरणहरु त्यो समीकरणहरु चाहिँ हल गर्दाखेरि यस्तो अवस्था नआउन्जेलसम्म हामीले घाताङ्कका नियमहरुबाट चाहिँ यो कन्डिसन यो अवस्थामा हामीले त्यसलाई पुर्याउनु पर्छ। स्टुडेन्ट्स, I would like come to this example. By this example again, I will try to describe about this exponential equation. And the first question. Now the first question, 2 power x minus 4 equal to 4 power x minus 6. How can we do this numerical? So first, this question, we can compare or not that the axiom of exponential equation. If we can't compare that one, so first use logic indices. Now here 2, here what? 4. Try to make the same base. If you have same base, relation between that two terms, equal operation, that means left hand side and right hand side. In that case, we can equating. Now it starts 2 power x minus 4. This 4 we can change in base 2. That 2 power 2 whole power x minus 6. Or 2 power x minus 4 now 2 power this power multiply. At 2 power we can multiply together. Now 2x minus 12. Now the same base equal operation we can equating its power. We can be equated its power that x minus 4 equal to 2x minus 12. Now to get the like term that x minus 2x equal to minus 12 plus 4. This one 4 get another side, the sign is same. Similarly 12 get here. That's so 2x get here, so minus 3x. Minus x equal to minus 8. We can eliminate this 2. Therefore, the value of x equal to 8. This one is the solution of this question. This one is correct or not? You can put value of x in this question. If you have left hand LHS and RHS are equal, that means the solution is correct of these questions. This solution, by this solution satisfied this question. Yes, it turns. Now the second one. 10 to the power 3y minus 3 equal to 1 divided by 0.001. 0.001 is not integer, this one decimal point, decimal number. So please, first try to change this one into integer. How we change? The decimal number into integer you already studied in class 4, class 5. After decimal, what the number of digit after decimal point? Multiply by that 10. Here after decimal point, 3 digits after decimal point 0.001, then multiply by 100 up and down. That is in numerator and denominator by multiply same number. Or you can use calculator, but here no calculator. I want to improve your calculation power, so I doing by this method. Or 10 to the power 3y minus 3 equal to up 100 down on this decimal point. Sorry, 1000 up 1 equals 1000. Now this decimal point get after 3 digits, that means down 1 only. 10 to the power 3y minus 3. This 1000 we can change base 10. Now 10 to the power 3. Now base are same equal operation, we can equating its power. That 3y minus 3 equal to 3. Now like turn together. 3y equal to 3 plus 3 or 3y equal to 6. Finally we get solution of this one, 6 divided by 3. Therefore y equal to 2 is the solution of this numerical. This one is correct or not? I already told to you. If you confuse the solution of this variable is 2 or not, you can say by putting the value of y in equation. We can say this one. Now here 10 to the power 3y minus 3 equal to 1 divided by 0.001. So checking. You want 10 to the power, put the value of y equal to 2. 3 to the 6 minus 3 equal to 1 divided by 0.001. 10 to the power 6 minus 3 is 3. Now 1 divided by 0.001. Its quotient value is 1000. Is 1000 equal to 1000. Its LHS and RHS are equal. That is true. That means value of y equal to 2 in this numerical. Try to understand, please. I hope you understood this one numerical. If you confuse, please you can ask with mathematical teacher or after this lockdown. Now question number 3. I am going to do question number 3. 4 power x minus 1 equal to root under 2 power x. Yes, what is root under 2? What the order of the sort? This one sorts. No one, that means order of the sorts is 2. This 2 is radicand and this sign is radical sign. When we change this order into power, without change into power we can't solve this numerical. We can't find the variable values. So first, please, 4 power x minus 1 equal to 2. When this order change into that exponent or power, that means 1 by 2 whole power x. You already studied this one, is also in laws of indices, that law of root indices, root law of indices. Now we have 4 power x minus 1 equal to 2 power, the power multiply together, the x divided by 2. Now make this message 2. So 2 power 2x minus 1 equal to 2 power x divided by 2. Or 2 power multiply. Now 2x minus 2 equal to 2 power x divided by 2. Up to here we use laws of indices. Now we can use axiom of exponential equation, because here base of both sides are same. Now we can equating its power. Resistance. Now equating its power equal to 3x minus 2 equal to x divided by 2. Now cross multiplication, cross multiply. 2 to the 4x minus 2 to the 4 equal to x. Now this x get another side. 4x minus x equal to 4 get another side. 4. Now you have 3x equal to 4. Now value of x equal to 4 by 3. This one is solution. Therefore the value of x equal to 4 by 3 is the solution of this numerical. Okay students. Similarly, question number 2. Here, confident this one. Root under 2. Root under 2 means square root 2. Nothing here, that means 2. While this order change into exponent, exponent is reciprocal to the order and it's vice versa. So here 2 will change into exponent, then 1 by 2. When you change in order, again 1 by 2, that means 2. That is the order of that sorts. Now students, question number 4. You are watching this video, please. Now question number 4. 2 power x minus 5 times high power x minus 4 equal to 5. We can't use directly the axiom of the exponential equation. First change into that form, then we can compare that axiom, we can use that axiom. So first, up to that first use laws of indices. Now 2 power yx, here minus, already minus sign. While we break this power, we can put between that two divided sign, 2 power 5 times 5 power yx divided by 5 power 4 equal to 5. It starts. Now 2 power yx dot 5 power yx down 1, 2 power 5 dot 5 power 4 equal to 5. You can put your cross product, or have same power, we can multiply its base because you multiply sign. So 5 to the 10 power yx equal to here 2 power 5 times here 5 power 4, here 5 power 1, total 5 power 5, or 10 to the power yx equal to, here also same process, we can apply same process here in this step, that 5 to the 10 whole power yx. Now look, now we can use the axiom that exponential equal operation. This equation is the exponential equation. Now we can compare with that axiom. Therefore the value of yx equal to, therefore the value of yx equal to 5. This one is the solution. You can check this one is also. If you confirm this solution is correct or not, x equal to 5 is correct or not, in that case you can check by putting the value of x equal to 5 in that condition, in that equation. If your late and LHS and RHS are same, in that case this one is the solution, that solution is correct. This one is satisfying this one and that equation. Okay, now final is question number 5. This one is some difficult numerical is this. Maximum repeated in exam, that in SC is also this one. So please be conscious. Confidently this one, 2 power 3x minus 5 dot 8 power x minus 2 equal 2 power x minus 2 dot a power 1 minus x. How we can do this numerical? Please remember, use laws of indices first. Directly we can't compare with the axiom this one of exponentials. First use laws of indices. We have 6 laws of indices. Out of that, any laws of indices we can apply now related that one. Okay, now 2 power 3x minus 5 dot a power x minus 2. If the axis get another side in divided form, now 2 power x minus 2 dot a power 1 minus x. Now remaining right hand side is what there? 1. If you can multiply these two. Again we get the same that the previous step, that question. Now here 2, this one is also 2, here divided sign. Now we can subtract down 1 from the first of 1. 2 power 3x minus 5. This one get in numerator. The sign is changed. Now x, this one minus. When get in numerator, the sign is changed plus 2. Dot a power. Your x minus 2. This one get in numerator. The sign is changed. 1 change into minus. X change into plus equal to 1. Dear students, or 2 power, now simplify this, 3x minus x, 2x minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 dot a power x 2x minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 equal to 1. Now have same power, 2x minus 3 is power of first one, similarly power of second one is also 2x minus 3, have same power, multiplication we can multiply down to get that one, or 2a whole power 2x minus 3 equal to this one. I already taught to you that the axiom of exponential equation, this one if a power x equal to 1, in this case we can write a power x equal to a power 0, because a power 0 gives the value 1. Here 2a whole power 0 we can write this, because the base of left hand side is 2a. So when we put the value of 1, any we can put, but that power should be 0. 2a. Why we put here 2a power 0? Why not 3a power 0? Because the base of left hand side is 2a. So we put here 2a whole power 0. Now we can use axiom of exponential equation. Here 2a, here 2a we can equal. So these two bases are equal operation. Now we can equating its coefficient, that 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, or 2x, this constant, get another side, 3, therefore x equal to 3 by 2, this is the solution. How can we instance? I complete down these 5 different model questions from the exponential equation. I hope you understood this one. Dear students, this is very important video for you who want to improve the calculation power. Please do not forget to subscribe this video. Okay, thank you.